Thank you. Hi, good evening. Good evening, teacher and school management. I, Mohammad Zaki, father of Sara Fatima, studying in UKG in ICSK, Indian Central School. I would like to take this opportunity and be thankful to the school management for initiating e-learning process to cover up the academics of school children. As parents, this is a good and new experience for us, and we are in a teacher's role and teaching and covering up the portion of our child at home. Also, my daughter is cooperating to the full extent and is having a new but as a good experience. I would like to take the school management for initiating this process and keeping children up to date in their academics during this COVID time. Teachers are in regular touch with parents, preparing and sending portions with great efforts. And on completion, the parents are reverting back to them. Thanks to school management and great teachers for their hard efforts during this pandemic time. Thanks a lot once again.
Hello, my name is Sentina Sanu. I am the mother of two boys, Skyle and Zayan, both studying in Indian Center School, Kuwait. This great school has been mine and my family's roots starting back in 1995. I am impressed by how the school has grown into one of the best technological and innovative study systems in Kuwait. My children enjoy coming to school, learning new topics, and going on exciting trips. My experience about the school is pretty good. As a parent, I have found staff, particularly teachers, very friendly and approachable. E-learning is effective and powerful. It makes information easy to grasp and absorb. All staff at the school are really helpful and my children are receiving everything they need at the school. And their teachers have been great at keeping us updated with their school life. I thank the management, teachers and school staff for making a difference in each child's life. Thank you all.
Good morning everybody. My name is Laila Peter. I am the mother of Sarah Peter who is studying in UKGB in Indian Central School Abbasiya. Nowadays, e-learning is the trend taking spotlight. It enhances the children's learning experiences and also have some positive impacts on child's learning skills. As we all know, the lessons are more clear as it is in visual as well as in audio form. As a parent, I am so happy that our children are enjoying the e-learning classes. And also I got some special benefits from this e-learning classes. That is, our children are not getting much time to spend in video game and all. I would like to thank the school for such an initiative taken during this curfew, so that the child will not have to worry about their academic year. Especially I am very thankful to our teachers and supporting teams for their efforts, guidance, friendship and even for their discipline. Thank you once again for being the best.
Thank you and stay safe.
Good evening. This is Gauri. I am Shalini's mother. She is studying in UKGC of Indian Central School. Today I am going to talk about the e-learning classes which has just started from last month. First of all, I am really thankful to the principal, to the staff members and the class teacher who's taking so much of effort and bringing out this into a practical session. And my child is enjoying this a lot. Daily she is learning new things from this and really very happy with this. It's a new method of teaching actually, which is started by you. I'm really thankful to all the class teachers who's getting up early in the morning and taking so much of effort to teach the kids. I'm really very thankful to them. Pandemic cannot stop the learning, especially the kindergarten kids. I'm really very thankful to them to taking so much of effort and bringing this out. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.